What's up, guys? So today we'll talk about Facebook, and in this video I would like to show you small tip for your Facebook. What can improve, what can get you some extra, uh, what can get you extra visibility without spending too much of your time. So, for example, let's go to groups. Okay, so for example, I would like to promote, I would like to promote Udemy courses, and here I have entered Udemy free coupons, and here we should click on show publications from ourselves. So now I can see all posts from uh, from my account what I have already made. So here is how it works like we have already made a post, but as you can see, it was 1 year ago. Let's click and show this post. Yeah, so here is the post, and what we can do now, we will go to, we can simply update this post, and it will bump up. So let me grab page with coupon codes with affiliate links. 1 second, please. So for example, this is my coupon code page, and I will get income from Google Ads, as you can see. So here's another one, and this page with, by the way, here is also one more Google Ad, and here is affiliate link to Udemy. So I will simply copy this page, will paste it here, will reply on my post like here are more coupons for Udemy. Let's click on enter. And what happened now is, yeah, so it looks like this now. If we will refresh page, okay, 1 second. Yeah, so post should be bumped up. Yeah, here it is. So now it's on the first place. And what we can do now, we can simply bump up all other posts what we have previously made. So for example, this one post, I will click on time, and here is another post. We can type here, same similar message, more coupons for courses can be found here. And again, this should be, we'll go back to group. Now our post on the first place. So this will works for all posts what you have already made. So great way to get some extra visibility for your posts. So great way to, without spending too much of your time, you can bump up such posts, and you'll get traffic again to your affiliate links. So guys, use this simple trick to make some extra traffic, extra money to your affiliate links, and have a nice day. Bye.